Students, our next topic is dimensions of business environment. Dimensions of business environment mean all the factors, forces, and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over the business transactions. General environment is the most important dimension of business environment as businessman cannot influence or change the components of general environment, rather he has to change his plans and policies according to the changes taking place in general environment. So there are various components to general environment like economic environment, social environment, political environment, legal environment, and technological environment. A question of 6 marks may come in your board exam, so prepare it very nicely. So now we are going to discuss one by one all the components to general environment, and the first one is economic environment. See, economic environment refer to all the forces and factors which directly influence the economy of your country. Economic environment consists of gross domestic product, income level at national level and per capita level, profit earning rate, productivity and employment rate, industrial, monetary and fiscal policy of the government, etc. Some aspect of economic environment are increase in GDP result in rise in disposable income of people and further increase in demand for product. High inflation rate set as constant as they increase the cost of production. Decrease in interest rate is beneficial and increase demand for home loans and borrowing money. Passing of GST bill will affect almost all the business organization. Demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 note recently hit the Indian economic environment. Banking sector reform has led to many attractive scheme of deposits and lending money. Role of private and public sector, rate of saving and investment, balance of trade and balance of payment, money supply in the economy, and international debts. So these were the factors of economical environment. Next one is social environment. Social environment consists of the customs and traditions of the society in which business is existing. It includes the standard of living, taste, preferences, and education level of the people living in the society where business exists. The business cannot overlook the components of social environment as these components may not have immediate impact on the business, but in the long run, the social environment has great impact on the business. There are various examples of social environment. The celebration of various festivals like Deepavali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, etc. So these festivals increase the sale of sweets, greeting cards, etc. The common factors of Indian social environments are demand for reservation in jobs for minority and women, demand for equal status of women by paying equal wages for male and female workers, demand for automatic machines and luxury items in middle class families, the social movement to improve the education level of girl child, health and fitness trend has become very popular these days. So some aspect of social environment are change in quality of life, importance or place of women in workforce, birth and death rate of population, attitude of customers towards innovation, lifestyle, etc. Next one is political environment. Political environment consists all the factors related to government affairs such as type of government in power, attitude of government towards different group of societies, policies, changes implemented by different governments, etc. The political environment has immediate and great impact on the business transaction. So businessman must scan this environment very carefully. The common factors and forces which have influenced the Indian political environment are Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started by BJP government, Skill India movement started by BJP government, political stability encourages business enterprises to invest in long-term projects, present political system and profile of political leaders, constitution of the country. Next one is legal environment. The management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Therefore, it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government. Legal environment include various laws and legislative acts, administrative order issued by government authorities, court judgment, as well as the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of the government, that is center, state or local. The work successfully in India, the business enterprises must have detail about Companies Act 1956, Industrial Act 1951, FEMA, Trade Union Act 1926, etc. Now, the last one is technological environment. Technological environment includes forces related to scientific improvement and innovation, which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new way of operating business. Few examples of recent technological changes which have affected Indian business are: companies have started using new way of advertising such as CD-ROMs, computerized information kiosk, internet, etc. Due to technological advancement is computers and electronics. Online sale of grocery item is become very common these days in India. Online booking of air tickets, movie tickets, not only booking, you can see your seat number. Due to technological advancement, customer can compare the fare prices of various airlines or hotels, etc., and select the most economical. Continuing innovation in different scientific and engineering fields such as lasers, robotics, biotechnology, food preservation, medicines, etc. Shift from vacuum tubes to transistor, shift from typewriter to word processor, etc. So these were the major components to general environment. Thank you very much.